Good morning guys, it's Sean and Joe here, and this weekend we're going to the snow, so let's go!
We're driving cars on Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go.
So Joe and I haven't been to the snow in quite a few years, and this time we're going to try snowboarding, which will be really exciting considering that both of us have never skateboarded before or snowboarded before, but we have done surfing, and I'll say we're pretty good at it. So hopefully some of those skills are transferable. For this trip we'll be going with a bunch of friends. Honestly, it'll be good practice for us because at the end of this year we're going back to Japan for a snow trip. I'll continue packing and we'll see you guys soon.
I have one at home.
Girl? Yeah.
Okay.
What can I do? I want to go. Stop eating, stop eating. Final last one. Stop eating.
Later that night.
Man's shaking.
Oh shit. Oh.
Oh my god, guys.
No, you guys are fine. You guys are fine.
Okay.
Yay, slumber party! You bitches. Aren't you guys excited to do that on the way down? Oh, perfect. It's so cute. And now we have a hangout spot.
So gonna be in a bed.
We reached Falls Creek at 9, thinking we'd have more than enough time to pick up our rentals and get to our lesson, which started at 10. Unfortunately, we didn't realize our snowboard rentals were on the other side of the village, and it took us about 15 minutes to even walk there.
I'm so sorry.
It also took a while for us to collect all our gear, as the rentals ticketing machine was glitching, and there were a few others before us. We ended up missing our lesson, and the weather also worsened throughout the day, which led to the resort deciding to close all chairlifts by 11 AM. Thankfully, our friends Estella and Dylan offered to teach us some of the basics, so we spent most of the day walking up the slopes and practicing hillside and toe side ourselves. So here's a little compilation of day 1 at the snow.
Let's go.
Oh, we're fucking good.
Oh my. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Start twerking, Aaron. Hey, 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 hey. Go, 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 go. Yeah. Twerk. Go, keep twerking. Yes. Look at you go. You did it. No, but you still did it.
subtitles with all of them. Yeah. Ready? Wait, tell me when.
Go.
Can you see it? Yeah. I'm hot.
Airbender Aaron.
Fire bending right now. It's crazy. Should I just put mine in it?
Yeah.
These are extra places we've got.
Trying to find like a ski school.
Oh, skis?
Very cold.
Yeah.
So we're meant to go to the.
Get the ceramic, I mean the glass takeaway.
Because, you know, this is a ski.
Another one.
Oh my god, Estella, the donuts?
Oh, I have.
Do you know why?
It's funny.
He was a big-
The weather was slightly better the second day, just a light blizzard with no rain. We were able to shift our snowboarding lesson to today, so yeah, we're basically frozen.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go. We wanna go.
Hey!
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go. We wanna go.
You better hope it is.
Girl! Did you wear your wristbands today? No, I didn't. It helps to angle. And also the foot's not like yeah, it was just like have a footrest part that you can actually there.
Where's your phone?
He ate him too.
Good, buddy.